Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafty Spark. Today I'm making this colorful earring. It's very simple, let's get started. For this you'll need 2 flat head pins and 2 ball head pins and 2 jump rings, 2 ear hooks, seed beads. Here I took 2 variants. First, take a flat head pin, add your beads in your loved pattern. Once done, take plier and create one small loop. Even same way for ball head pin. Now let's take jump ring and add 2 head pins. Finally, let's attach to the hair hooks and let's finish it. And that's it. This is our final look. Handmade earrings are ready. It's very simple, right? If you guys love this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.